Erythrocyte. The suffix cyte, C-Y-T-E, means cell. Erythro means red. An erythrocyte is a red blood cell. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, a protein which enables the erythrocyte to carry oxygen throughout the body. Exocrine glands. Exo is another prefix meaning out or outside. Crine, as you recall, means to secrete. Exocrine glands secrete chemicals to the outside of the body. Examples of exocrine glands are the tear, salivary, mammary, prostate, and sweat glands. Gastrectomy. The suffix ectomy refers to the process of cutting out, removing, or resecting. A gastrectomy is the removal, excision, or resection of the stomach or part of it. Gastric. The term gastric pertains to the stomach. Gastroenteritis. Gastroenteritis is inflammation of the stomach and intestines. Gastroenterology. Gastroenterology is the study of the stomach and intestines. Gastrotomy. The suffix tomy means to cut into or make an incision. A gastrotomy is an incision of the stomach. Gynecologist. Gyneco means woman or female. A gynecologist is a specialist in the study of the female reproductive system. Gynecology. Gynecology is the study of diseases affecting women and those of the female reproductive system. Hematoma. The suffix oma in this term means a mass or collection of fluid rather than a growth or tumor. A hematoma is a mass of blood within an organ, tissue, or space. Called a bruise or a black and blue mark, a hematoma is caused by a break in the wall of a blood vessel. Hemoglobin. Globin, G-L-O-B-I-N, means protein. Hemoglobin is a blood protein found in red blood cells. It binds to oxygen and carries it throughout the bloodstream. Hepatitis. The combining form hepato means liver. Hepatitis is inflammation of the liver. Hepatoma. In this term, the suffix oma means a growth or tumor. A hepatoma, then, is a tumor of liver cells. Hyperglycemia. The prefix hyper, H-Y-P-E-R, means too much, excessive, or above. The combining form glyco, G-L-Y-C-O, means sugar. The suffix emia, E-M-I-A, indicates a condition of the blood. Hyperglycemia, then, is too much sugar in the blood. It occurs in diabetes mellitus when the pancreas does not produce the hormone insulin. Without insulin, sugar cannot leave the blood to enter cells, and thus sugar accumulates in the blood, leading to hyperglycemia. Hyperthyroidism. Hyper means excessive. In hyperthyroidism, the thyroid gland secretes too much thyroid hormone. Hypoglycemia. In this term, hypo means too little. The combining form glyco means sugar. Hypoglycemia is too little sugar in the blood. Hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism describes the decreased secretion of thyroid hormones from the thyroid gland. Laparoscopy. Laparoscopy is the process of visually examining the contents of the abdomen using a laparoscope and other instruments inserted into the abdomen via several small incisions. It is a form of minimally invasive surgery. Laparotomy. A laparotomy is a surgical procedure involving a large incision through the abdominal wall. A cesarean section